Okay, friends, today I wanna show you how to create tab. We can open this Microsoft Paint, of course, and okay, first time make sure that 100% in the zoom over there. Okay, let's restart. The first one, I want to make a tab over there, and with a little bit water over there. So I will call this title is save water. The first time I want to make the tab over here using this. I will using this. Sorry, I'm using this. Click, and I make like this. I make it a little bit tall over there, and I want to use this color, so I will change. Yep. And next I want to cut this, cut the head over there, this one cut, over there, maybe again, and then I will using curve. I will click and drag just straight over there and click 1 and click 2 twice. Don't forget, if you using curve, you should click and drag twice. I will click this 1, 2. Okay, and I will cut this using selection. I click selection and cut right here, and press your delete button in keyboard. Okay, using curve again, we will click over here and make sure the straight line using shift button, hold in your, and I 1, 2. You can move using your arrow, your, okay, got this, sorry, I will delete, and I want to make this over here, this using curve, of course, click, and I'll drag it right there, 1, 2, again, click, drag over there, 1, 2. Okay, done. I will cut this thing. I will cut this thing first. Using clip, and I want to make just like this. Yep. Yeah, like this. I will put over there, and I will cut this and I will cut over here. So I cut. Okay. When I drag this to over there, the background is follow. So use selection over here and we click transparent selection. Okay, I will make it a little bit small. Okay, and then I will make curve again. I will cover this up. One, just a little bit more. 1, 2. Okay, I will make same over there. One, 2. After that, I want to make this curve again. Don't forget, press your shift button, your keyboard. 1, 2. Okay. Don't forget, I will make over here. Okay. The next step is I will color first with the same color. No. I will color with the little bit bright color up here. I will move over there one little bit, just a little bit, so the stroke is show over here. I will color that. After that, I will make a little bit more over here so it look like real. I will using edit color. Make sure that your color is this edit color. I will drag up a little bit. Okay, I get color over there. I click that color and I using curve to make just like what calls me 1, 2. Okay, more over there, over here. 1, 2. I will cover this thing 1, 2, and I will cover. You can zoom using this. It's easier to you. 1, 2. Okay, after that I will make over here using this. Okay, next I will color this using curve. 1, 2. Okay, over here. 1, 2. And I will put over there. Put over there. The last, we make curve over here. 1, 2. Okay, time to color this. 1, 2, click color, and then okay, and I want to create the water of here. Water using this. I will color water is like that. Okay, and I cut half of this ellipse, delete, and I using curvy as always. Curvy, just like 1, 2. Click, release, 1, 2, and you can move using your arrow in your keyboard. Okay, I got the water, and I will fill the water, and I will copy it. This is big water, I make it small, maybe a little bit small. Okay, enough. I will copy this using this. You select this water and then copy and then click paste. Okay, I move 1, paste. I will move, done. And the last, I will make a just like a little bit waste water over there using this. Yeah, this. And then color 2, blue. I will delete this. Make sure you put this tap water in middle of your worksheet. And the last, I click text to type. I using font Bauhaus 93. Save water. Okay, done. And I will make a little bit background of here. Little bit dark. Oh no. Okay, done. That's all. How to create tap water. Don't forget, watch this video is carefully. Okay, bye bye, see you.